So today, Independence Day special, let me speak few lines on Kargil War. So, let me tell you about the young Indian soldiers who were barely out of college, who fought in impossible conditions just to protect our country. It was 1999 in Kargil. Pakistani soldiers had secretly taken over mountain peaks along the border, at the height where most of us would struggle to breathe. But these young men, some were just 19 or 20 years old, climbed the steep cliff under enemy fire. I mean, just think about it. Freezing temperature where your rifle could jam with the cold. Climbing rock faces with 60 pounds of gear. Knowing each step forward could be your last. This is not a cakewalk. Yet they kept going. Heroes like Captain Vikram Bhatra, famously quoted "Ye Dil Mange Mo," led the charge. Or Grenadier Yogendra Yadav, who scaled the cliff while being shot at. How would you feel if there would be a loved one instead? Your brother, your son, your father. After 60 brutal days, on 26 July, India finally won. But 527 families lost their sons, husbands and brothers. Even Bharat Mata lost her precious and brave sons. So this Independence Day, let's do more than just remember. Let's truly understand what they sacrificed for us. Because freedom isn't free. It was paid for with their courage and their blood. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you everyone.